So let's pay on this. Holy crap.
Go. Start to the very tail end trip. We're hooked, locked, and we're fixing to go get these trucks. We're gonna come home. Actually, we're gonna go home. So come home, mama. Here we go. Hey Mike, you look good under there.
Oh yeah? You want to see my ass? You come smack it.
Oh no. No.
What?
No. No, I don't know what you like, but it ain't my cup of tea, son.
Well, I'll smack your ass right back.
We're all loaded and ready, and we're taking off in the morning. See you then. Well, it's time to go. Time to head back to the house. Actually, I think we're going to make a stop at Amarillo and look at the Cadillac Ranch. So, Las Vegas, it's been fun and been expensive and lots of good times. What do you think, Mike? Fremont Street? Fremont Street? Good times?
Yeah. So everything was pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah, it was good times. Got to hang out with some friends, some long-term family. Stay at a base hotel for way more time than I'd like. So here we go. I'm gonna get out of Vegas and hit the road. we're at, but as seen on TV, this is where we are. Infamous Cadillac Ranch.
There's so much paint on this stuff, man. Like, holy crap. Look at the layers of paint. God.
The amount of paint on this stuff, holy cow. Question is where do I put the decal? Because, you know, gotta put a decal over here.
I have a feeling it's kind of safe.
Sorry. It was the cakes.
Or it's Denny's the night before. Or it's Cracker Barrel last night.
It was Cracker Barrel. Woohoo! Yeah. Well, day 32, I think is what it is. I think that's where we're at. I don't really know. Quite not sure. Just left Shawnee, Oklahoma, and heading towards Nashville. May end up staying there tonight. May end up driving to the house. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how this all goes. I'm not going to bore you with the trip, so here we go. I don't know who thought it was a good idea to have winter right now, but man, it's freaking cold. This is the last push to get home, so truck's warming up. She doesn't like it, so let's go home.
Speed limit reduced ahead.
about that? Now we're in snow. There you go. That's a wrap. We're home. Actually, not home yet, but we have made a drop off, and everything rode safe and sound. Now to get the third truck home, trailer put away, go spend some time with my wife. Thank you guys for watching. Love y'all, mean it. Like, subscribe, share, comment, do all that good stuff. Thank you guys.